everyone. After the dramatic fires the other night above Denshaw in the Saddleworth area, I'd like to show you the extent of the damage, the ecological damage to wildlife and moorland. This is just one section from the Yorkshire side. Both counties were involved in fighting the fire, Lancashire and Yorkshire, and as you can see, a lot of the moorland is black, scorched. Don't know whether the fires were set deliberately or whether they were just natural. We've had a lot of dry weather. We would say to people, if you are visiting the countryside, please try and be vigilant, don't light barbecues and things like that. Just to show you the extent, the shot next will be Redbrook Reservoir, just there on in the centre. That's the size of the reservoir, and that's the size, hectares and hectares of damaged moorland. As I say folks, please try and be vigilant. These are done with a DJI Mini Pro up on the moorlands, as I say, above Denshaw and in between Marsden as well. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe, make a comment, we'll get back to you. Help the channel grow. Hit that button, doesn't cost anything. Come on, subscribe to the channel, please.